Hi, this is Litre Solar Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Nissan Qashqai stock on the 6410. This ran from the 12th 2013 to the 6th 2017. It has a R9M 1.6 litre turbo diesel engine backed by automatic CVT transmission. This is the R9M 1.6 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door has a slight scratch in the corner. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.